Okay, in this clip I'm going to show you how to set your layer groups to the timeline inside of Flash. Now you can remember when we brought in the Photoshop file, it set up folders, which are the groups, and inside those are all our layers that we created in Photoshop. Let me expand this one. Now if you remember, they all ended up in the same frame, frame 1. And what we want to do is move these to a different place in the timeline. Now you can see that we have a few blank layers here. That's because when we converted our graphics to symbols, they're no longer on. And just drag them to a different frame. So now on the home page, all we have to do is set up an action that'll take us to this link in the timeline. And that's how you set your layer groups to the timeline in Flash.